In general, automotive journalists love hatchbacks and wagons. Most of us currently own or have owned one in the past, or are looking for a clean Mercedes-Benz S123 in the future. They offer as much or more utility as a crossover without the poor fuel economy and compromised driving dynamics that come with them. Still, some people need a little bit of ground clearance, and that's where lifted wagons like this 2018 Audi A4 Allroad come in. Audi has been on a killer roll in recent years. After spending decades playing a Volvo-like second fiddle to Mercedes-Benz and BMW, the German automaker is right there in terms of design, luxury and performance. Our old long-term Allroad is dearly missed, especially at this time of year. Over the holidays, we appreciated this car's heated seats, heated steering wheel and Bang & Olufsen sound system to make the trip more comfortable. The final big option is the technology package that includes Audi Virtual Cockpit, a fully digital instrument cluster. Editor-in-Chief Greg Migliore, the A4 Allroad is a car I'd strongly consider putting in my garage. It's sporty, functional and looks smart. The Turbo 4 is solid, and the 7-speed S-Tronic Gearbox is smooth. And with all-wheel drive, this thing is plenty capable. I actually wished for snow on my drive into the office. It's the right combination of sportiness and comfort. The wagon is my favorite variant of the A4. It offers a decent amount of space, though I didn't need to haul anything. But the Allroad is plenty capable. You might remember our A4 Allroad long-termer from last summer. I loaded that beast up with garden bricks and mulch like crazy. The dog liked that car, too. That one was green. This one is black with 18-inch wheels and a beige and black interior punched up with gray oak inlays. I like this scheme better. It's more elegant. Driving the wagon in the winter feels right, and I enjoyed my 2 chilly nights in this Allroad.